Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video today I'm going to show you what is extension function and how to start implement extension function in Android. So extension function is the features provided by Kotlin. So in this video I'm going to show you a little bit description about the extension video. So let's start. So extension function definition, I can say that Kotlin provides the ability to extend a class with a new functionality without having to inherit from the class or use design patterns. That means in simple word we can say if we want to add some functionality to predefined class, or if you want to create a new class and we are adding some functionality to that class but we don't want to inherit that class, in this way we can create extension function. So and there is main advantages of extension function. It reduces the code and it makes code clean and easy to understand. So when you will know how to use extension function, you will having a better idea of this. So for this, let's start. So in this video, I'm going to use IntelliJ IDE for simple extension function use. So right now I'm creating one string of functions for extension functions. So let's start. So right now I'm creating functions variable to first name, string, and creating first name and giving some values to it, and again second creating last name having same value, which is also string, whatever. And what I want to do here is I want to add first name and last name, but for string first name doesn't have any add or concate function. So before I make extension function, just let's check is there is no add or no concate. So I'm going to create one add function for adding first name and last name. So I will create here add and I will give last name to first name. So we have created first name, that is kind of string. So we can create string classes extension function to add this variable into first name. So for that we have to use function keyword, and whatever name you want to give to extension function you can give simply that, and whatever you class you are inheriting, you are modifying the functionality of that class, or you are adding the functions to that class, you can uh, provide that class name first. So I'm right now using string class here because my first name and last name are string type. And then I'm doing here add functions, and I'm giving one parameter, that is name, and I will give here string type, and what it will do is it will return string which will be merged. So in this I have to right now I have to suppose like right now I'm only returning name. So one more functionality I will explain you. In this, the object by which the extension function is called is first name is object, and in this if you want to use that object reference then we can use directly using this keyword. So now it will return this, means whatever object is used to call this extension function, and whatever the value is given in parameter is the name value in parameter. So it will merge first name and last name. So let's, if you want to check, then let me print the message here. We don't want to create whole variable, just copy and paste here. So what it will do, first name is Gayatri and add, it is our extension function, and it is used class string class, and we are adding functionality to merge two string. So second last name is here, and this is the object by which this extension function is called. So now let's run it. You can see here the output is Gayatri Patel. So this is a simple, we can say, to merge, to modify or to add the functionality or without inheriting that class. So this is so simple. Suppose if you want to use on integer value or on any, suppose in Android any image view or text view, you can want to create any more edit functionality like toast or snake bar, anything, then you can do easily without inheriting that class. So suppose like I'm here creating where variable a is equal to integer 10, and second variable I'm creating b integer 5. And if I want to add two variables, then if there is a already that functionality add, then we can add, but there is no add. Or just if you want to do some function, that simply name the function and add the variable you want to add in that. And now if you don't want to create function by your own, then you can just click on here, and here click on red button, and then it will show create extension function integer sum. It will automatically create function for you. Just click on that, and it will show integer class, on which class you have created extension function. Whatever you have given name here, it will create that name, and then you can write your own functionality whatever you want to do. Just simple return. I have to also return type mention that, so this plus value b, and what I have to do is here I have to return type integer. So that's it. We can also inherit, we can also create the functionality extension function on integer class, and simply we can print the output. So just cut and paste it. Sum is sum is, and let's run and let's see this output. You can see sum is 15. So this is the very simple extension function how to use, and it's so easy to make our code clean and well structured. Thank you guys for watching me. I hope you enjoy my video. Thanks guys. Bye bye.